Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports Face ID and has the latest iOS. Once done, open Messages and tap the Compose button or any conversation to begin. Then, tap the Animoji/Memoji icon to access Memojis. Make sure you position your face squarely in front of the true depth camera. Lighting matters because the system reads depth and motion. This first step gets the app and hardware ready so the tracking system can register your facial movements accurately. You now select an existing Memoji or create a new one and tap Edit to access tracking options. Make sure face tracking or similar toggle is enabled. The system may also request camera permission, so accept that prompt. Once enabled, use the front camera preview to intentionally move your eyebrows, mouth, and head so the Memoji mirrors you. This detailed check verifies the true depth sensors are reading micro-expressions. If the avatar lags, reduce background movement and reframe your face within the guide. Finish by tapping Done to save your Memoji and then test it in Messages, FaceTime, or Camera Memoji mode to confirm live tracking. If the avatar doesn't follow you smoothly, close the app and reopen it, then reboot the phone and reposition in good light. Make sure nothing blocks the true depth array. One key troubleshooting tip: if tracking still fails, update iOS and reset Face ID before seeking support, because most tracking issues stem from software or sensor calibration rather than your Memoji settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.